Love this. What if I told you that you don't need a single dollar, you don't need a fancy laptop, you don't need the beautiful mansion within UAE or in your home country. In fact, you don't need to go for a course for you to start making money online. Recently, we have seen people telling us put 50 dirham, put $50 and you get 100, be rich for the rest of your life for free. Baby girl, and you're watching, that one is not real. Yeah? The 20 ways of making money with your smartphone for free. When we're talking about for free, there is no way that you are going to invest in an amount of money, hard cash or online, for you to start earning. So what you need is your smartphone, it's your internet connection, it is your idea, it's yourself. By the way, what gives money is within you, around you, or outside you. It's just your neighbor. It's you are the host of that money. So for today, indeed, we're going to be showing you, if you're really interested in making money online, we're going to be showing you the 20 ways of making money online without being asked an amount of money. You are the controller. You know what to do, and you will learn what to do. So if you know you're a kind of a person who is interested in making money online with your smartphone, please, I'll be giving you strategies, I'll be giving you highlights, I'll be giving you tips. Keep with me such that we look forward at least to making that $1 at the end of the month, at the end of the day. Yes, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Immaculate Show. Immaculate Show has very many channels. To be precise, we have 4 channels. We don't advertise. The only one we advertise is this one, that is focused more on 2 tips, and it is educational. Before we dive into the 20 ways of making money with your smartphone online for free, let me first appreciate all our top engagers across all social media networks, and even to the people who go ahead to make these things work, to put the tips in practice. We salute you. We love you so much. Big disclaimer, you guys. This video is for educational purposes. If you know you're here, we are not luring you. It's not scamming. We are not asking you money. I know you'll be asking yourself where you gain from. I gain when you understand. When you go and invest, I gain from there. So it's for educational purposes. We dive in, and the first way for you to start making money online is to start YouTube. As you can see YouTube right now, the one you're watching, or if you're watching on YouTube, it is to start YouTube channel. So what you do with the YouTube channel, the moment you start YouTube channel, I would love you to get this tip that no other people, mostly they don't talk about it, especially in your community, especially the ones who just came up. They think it's competitive, so they just keep it under their carpet, under their arms. We talk about creating evergreen content. Evergreen videos will answer questions people are searching for on a daily basis. And this one makes you earn money massively. Okay, if I don't forget, I'll drop for you one of the recent video that at $19, at 19 views, I had $1. And there are some people who are out there, they think for you to get $1, you have to first sweat. No, it is the game of mind and understanding. So if you're out there and you want to make money online, just focus on YouTube and evergreen content. You will find your evergreen content will give you high RPM, high CPM that will influence high RPM. In other words, it is going to attracts premium advertisers. Have you ever asked yourself this question? Who pays you on these social media platforms? So this one is completely okay. People will be watching your video for years. Yes. And people will wonder, she doesn't have enough views as compared to the narrative. People think for you to have views, for you to have money, you have to have millions. That's why some people would stand up and say, no, internet ya mugoba, internet ya mugara, without knowing what people are earning. Let's see the second one. The second one is Facebook monetization. Facebook content monetization is the thing that most people didn't know, but they have started to know it. But on knowing it, there are things you need to do. So Facebook monetization, you don't need to invest an amount of money. Even if it is $1, it's people who don't know what money is. They say, it is little money, I can put it on this platform. No. We started from there. So if we started from there and we know what it means, if you really want to make money, don't think you're going to sit and reap money. Those are scams. So for you to earn money on Facebook, you need to post consistently. And also, if you post consistently, you have to post videos that are eligible. You have to post videos that can build the audience. You have to post videos that can be watched, can give view dilation. And on top of this, it's where also evergreen content comes in. So people will watch your videos yearly in and out. But if you do just put something, it will be for a day and you get views and it goes. Then there is TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok Creator Fund, most of you on TikTok, but you don't know. You're only on short-term earnings, as in terms of gifts. That's why someone can stay the whole day waiting for roses, saying, please send me a heart, and blah, blah, blah. So what you do shorts, you do engaging videos, and this can help you quickly grow. But if you're in a country that is not monetized, you just keep building, it will monetize you with time. But meanwhile, you can also earn through creator programs. You can earn also through gifts, brand sponsorship, and partnership. I've seen people have gotten gigs from TikTok. So, and they don't invest anything. Affiliate marketing is one of the things that you don't need money to deposit in. I've been telling you about affiliate marketing. So these are ways that you don't need to invest any money and you get money. So affiliate marketing, you're selling people's products. You don't need any inventory. Then there's freelancing. Freelancing is whereby you will find our skills. People are having skills like graphics, like teaching, tutoring. These are the things that like transcripting, editing videos. This one you can do it with freelancing, and there are platforms that are there. You don't need any money, and this is the money that you will get and you feel it is your money, than you putting money somewhere and you'll be not sleeping that money is going to be eaten. Programs or platforms will be crossed. Let's see what we call print on demand. Print on demand, most people have done it now. Now that we have AI, we have AI tools, we have Canva, we have also platforms that are there. Do this print on demand. You design your t-shirts, you design your cups, you design your gifts, towels. These are the things, phone cases, using free AI tools. And you'll earn from someone who will place an order. Let's see what we can call selling digital products. Digital products, it comes from, even from this video, I can get a digital product. And this digital product, you can get it, you can sell it anywhere on your WhatsApp. You can sell it on, you can upload it on Amazon. You can upload it on all social media platforms. They start selling. Like you can create ebooks, you can create templates, you can create planners, and many more others. Online tutoring is something that has been now created easier. People are looking for skills to learn. They want to be taught the subjects they are not conversant in. They want to know the languages, like even they want to know mathematics, computer skills. These ones you can do there. We have blogging. Do you know most of you are doing blogging, but you don't know blogging is one of the way for you to start earning without putting any coin. Write helpful articles that attract search traffic engines. The moment you do this, you will get, even in affiliate marketing, you'll also earn from AdSense. So you guys, there's no any excuse that you'll say, I'm not earning money because I don't have money. You don't need to invest any amount of cash in these things that I'm telling you. Then we have AI content services. I'll be telling you, don't need to struggle right now. We always get helpful information now from AI blogs. So what you do with AI content services, you can use free AI tools, and this one, it will attract a lot of audience. Business people are looking for someone to create for them media captions, emails, and even blog posts. So if you're there, you have your smartphone, it's free. By the AI tools, you can use the premium one, or you use the free one. I always use the free one. At first, when I was beginning, I used the premium, but now I use completely free. Can we talk about becoming a virtual assistant? Remember, I've told you I'm giving 20 ways. If you fail the first, the second, the third, you cannot fail the 20th. 20 ways to start making money online for free without being told that put this amount of money and we work for you. Baby guys, it's rare for you to be there and you can't be a virtual assistant. You can be a virtual assistant. You have time. You have some holiday. So even if you're working class, you can do it in your free time. So here, many companies, they are hiring remote customer service representatives with flexible schedules. You know, you have a lot of time during the day, 3 to 4 hours. You can put this one into work. And this one is being done by your phone. You don't need to pay them to get this, and they will pay for you hard cash. They'll send you your money. What you need to know how to look for these platforms. If you want to know it, put in the comment section. Then we have remote customer support. Remote customer support, many companies are looking for customer service representatives with flexible schedules, and of which I know you're out there, you can do it. You have also another one that I used before, selling stock photos. Stock photos cut across. They can be yours, they can be for the nature, they can be for the houses, they can be for food, all these ones. This one, it will help. Have you ever gone on internet to download a photo? Yes, this is where they do, this is how the photos go there. And if you go to the stock sites, you will find there are photos that are sold and people are buying them. So upload quality photos of different scenarios and videos which you capture with your smartphone to stock platforms. Then we have transcription jobs. Transcription jobs is something that one of the things that brought me on social media, because I was following my sisters from Kenya, my sisters from Rwanda. These people were doing a lot of transcription jobs. So they convert audio into text for businesses, and students and creators do pay for them. Then also translation services. Translation services, these ones are cross. Provided you have your smartphones, you can do it. If you speak more than one language, you can translate documents or subtitles online. And the services are there online. Let's talk about social media management. Social media management is one of the things that, provided you know what to do, social media management is great. Manage business pages by creating posts, by replying comments, and even scheduling content. There are people who want to manage the pages, but they don't know what to do. So you can learn what to do. It is very simple. Provided you're always on social media, you can do it. Then there is online survey and user testing. Online survey and user testing is one of the way I started with also, because I did surveys on platforms called paid work. Then you can also do it, because platforms have multiple ways and they pay in different ways. So some companies pay people to test their products, to test their website, test their apps. There is no app that will come out without being tested. So you can go out there and give a honest review and feedback. You'll be paid. Let's talk about create an email newsletter. Build an audience by sharing valuable information that will make you earn later. And you find yourself even having affiliate partnership, affiliate marketing, and even you can earn through sponsorship. Then you can become a UGC creator. Create product videos for brands, even if you don't have a large following. I've seen some ladies do it, and indeed they are doing well. You can also, last but not least, sell out your knowledge. What do you exactly know? You teach skills through workshops, online guides, or in mini courses using platforms. So you can do this. You can do it. Now, having known this, remember these 20 ways and more. I've just given you 20, but we have more. You don't need any amount of money to invest in. You don't need to give someone money. No. What you do, you pick 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on the time you have. Pick one. Focus on them. The next 90 days, those are within 3 months, you'll give a testimony. You improve your skills and keep showing up. Why people fail? They come today, they disappear tomorrow. You cannot come today and disappear tomorrow and expect to have money. So guys, I said let me come on this line. At least I represent. It's a long video, bulleted, but at least it will help you. So if you're out there and want to make money, dive in, make money, be consistent, come and thank me later. If you've reached on this stage without even liking this video, something is wrong.